Yeah, it's Mega Gadget. This is the Oraimo Smart Clipper. This is the authentication seal. You should always have that on your Oraimo products. So we are unboxing the Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 today. So it's a very nice clipper. It's a very dope, luxurious design, and it's digital. So,
oh my god! Wow!
I love the stainless steel finish, and see how glittering it is. It's a very nice clipper, and it comes with Type-C charge port, and it's a rechargeable clipper as well with digital display, and it comes with 4 steps. So these are the guided steps for different hairstyles. So you're gonna love the clipper. You will love it. It's a very nice clipper.